Hello guys and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So let me show you the latest update for Aimogen, as this is something that you asked a lot, and today I am glad to bring this new feature to you guys. So Aimegen's chatbot will be able to be embedded on any website. So yeah, you can install the chatbot on your website, on one of your websites, and you can embed only the chatbot on any other site which does not have actually Aimogen installed, but you can keep Aimogen installed on a single site and use the chatbot it provides on multiple sites, on any number of sites. So let me show you how this will work. So be sure to update Aimogen to the latest version. Link in video's description, you will find Aimogen there. And afterwards, go to the plugins AI chatbot menu, settings tab, and be sure to select enable chatbot embedding on remote sites. So check this checkbox and save settings. This is one of my sites, testing sites, and after you enable this feature, the plugin will provide a HTML code for embedding your chatbot on a remote website. So we can copy this code and let's go to a site which does not have Aimogen installed. So here it is. So let's create a new post and embed the code that we got from the source. So I need to change this to 800. You don't need to change this to 800 because I will change this in the plugins code. So you are good to go with the code that you copied. So now I have here the chatbot embedded on the remote site which does not have Aimogen installed. Keep in mind, you will not see Aimogen installed and active here, but the iframe, which is, if we hit inspect, we can see that this is actually an iframe going to WP Initiate, and WP Initiate is the website where Aimogen is installed and where the remote embedding of the chatbot is enabled. So now we can talk with the chatbot. I need help with cooking advice. So let's see if it will work. I can definitely help you with that. What specifically do you need? I need to cook pasta, and here it is. The chatbot is working and functioning fully on the remote site, and this is going to the source site, and the functionality is happening actually on the source site. Here on this site, no chatbot functionality is happening, excepting it is only displaying the chatbot here, but everything is going to this site, and this site processes the chatbot. Okay, so let me know what you think about this update. Let me know if you find it useful. If you have more ideas, suggestions, let me know in the comments of this video. I find it really helpful and it really inspires me. And yeah, like, share, subscribe. It really helps me grow. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a nice day. Bye bye.